Hi guys, and welcome back to
Buttercup Slimes! I'm Louise.
I'm Eloise.
And today we're going to be making two types of edible slime.
So our first recipe is going to be with gummy worms, and then our second one is going to be with marshmallows.
So let's get right into the video.
So we're going to pour in our gummy worms.
Okay, so now I need to microwave them.
Now we're going to put them in the microwave for
45 seconds. And we're doing power 5. Okay.
There
Okay, ready? Oh, wait.
Oh,
There we go.
they are ready, and we're going to take them out of the microwave to see if they're good enough. Ooh,
That's
are they hot?
I think they're ready.
Oh, yes, I think if we just mix those a little bit.
Yeah, they'll be ready.
And we did them for...
We did it for 45 seconds
twice.
Yeah.
And that
And then instead of power level,
looks.
yeah, and instead of power level 5, we did 8. So 8 works better. Whoa! Look at it. Whoa, that's so cool. So, we're going to add a little cornstarch to it, and then powdered sugar, and it smells really good.
This is it is like a clear slime, and we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch for kind of like our baking soda that you would add to make it less sticky.
Yeah. Oh, it looks so cool.
I know. I can't wait to try to eat it. Then this is our first. It's our first one, and then we're gonna make a marshmallow one and put really cool things in that. Yeah.
So we're using powdered sugar as like our activator.
And then I'm gonna put one more drop of pink, a few drops of pink food coloring to make it.
And you want to add
that's
a little powdered sugar at a time.
Just a little bit, because what we did last time in our first edible slime video is we added too much Starburst and icing sugar or powdered sugar. Ooh.
It's turning into slime.
So the powdered sugar is like our activator. Like it was.
It has a lot of bubbles in it. It's really cool.
It looks super sticky. Make sure to let it cool because it's very hot. That's
It's so cool.
It reminds me of marinara sauce.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get these edible slimes activated, and then we'll show you what the finishing product looks like. So this is the finishing product. The slime is very sticky, but it's good.
Ooh.
And it's like a butter slime, but it's an arm workout to mix it. And so we decided to move outside because it was really
Very
messy.
good swirls.
But it's very messy.
Let's taste it on 3. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
That's really good.
It's really good.
I like it.
It almost tastes like bubble gum, kind of. It's like the consistency of bubble gum.
I definitely recommend
This slime to
edibles. Yes.
It's so good.
Just make sure you have a lot of cornstarch, baking soda, icing sugar, everything that is kind of something that makes a liquid thicker to make this definitely more activated, I guess.
Yeah.
Kind of. But this is
and
so good.
We decided to move outside because it was
Very
super
messy. Especially probably because of me. But so yeah, on to the next slime.
The marshmallow slime.
Woo!
I hope this
slime
next
just
one
ripped.
won't be as messy.
Yes. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so now we are on to our marshmallow or our mini marshmallow slime. And what you need for this one is marshmallows, icing sugar, and then food coloring is optional. And then
we got
for
these,
decoration,
little cute edible hearts.
like glitter.
Yeah, edible glitter.
So now we're gonna pour in the main part. Oh, I got it. Okay.
And we're not going to do the
Marshmallows.
whole bag because like the bowl would start overflowing with marshmallows.
Yes. I think I'm gonna do that much. Marshmallows are falling.
I'm gonna do this much. So like this is about how much we're doing.
And we are going to heat it up for about 15 seconds. And that will, you want to get them to a soft consistency. Not where they're all the way melted, but to where they're soft and they'll be able to stir around.
So yeah. So our power level is 10, and so like Eloise said, we're heating up for 15
seconds.
So power level 10, 15 seconds. Start. The marshmallows are done. We ended up doing them for a minute. So yeah.
Oh, they look all like creamy.
Gooey.
Let's take one. The bowl is hot, so make sure you're with it. Always make sure when you're doing something in the microwave or on the stove you have an adult near you in case something bad happens. So let's,
Oh my gosh, that's so cool! It's like fluff.
oh my gosh. I guess this is how they make marshmallow fluff.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna put a color in mine.
Yeah, I think I might.
I'm going to do pink.
I don't know what color I should do.
I want to do orange actually. Okay.
I'm gonna do pink then.
So now we can coloring is optional, so you can put your coloring in, and then I think we're gonna put in the hearts.
Yeah, I think we should put the hearts in at the end.
So we'll show you slime. We'll show you the slime when we have the coloring in and the hearts. So, yeah.
So I'm just adding a little bit of powdered sugar.
And then I'm gonna add mine.
Oh.
Domino effect. I'm gonna add mine. Oh, I got a whole thing of it. Make sure I don't spill any. And be very careful with the powdered sugar. We have had messy powdered sugar.
messy experiments.
So it's very messy. Powdered sugar's one of the most messiest things. Oh no, it's stuck to me.
Yeah, it's kind of hot, so just be careful.
Okay, this is very different from our last one.
Yeah, the last one was more hard. This is more like light and fluffy. I love mine.
I had a heart from it. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up and make the slime, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we are done.
Finished. So this is the finishing product. Mine turned out really, or both of ours turned out really small. So
make sure to do a lot of marshmallows.
It actually tasted like marshmallows.
That's good. I definitely like this one better.
Me too.
So
this one made a mess, but it was a lot less mess than the other one did. And this one doesn't stick to your fingers as much. You just need to keep adding powdered sugar.
So yeah.
thank you guys so much for watching. And in the comments below, tell us which one you like better for both of the both of the both of the likes. Make sure you comment, like, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys later.